we still on the same mast? Nope. D49 and C50. Right. So it's this mast's done at the moment. So we'll put that one over there. And we'll bring in, it's going to be this mast we're working on now, which is the one with the flag. So we'll leave that there. We need D48. So, same as before, get D and see if we can find 48. 48 is one of the thin parts. There's 49. There's 48 there. That's the one I've just cut out. No, it's D49. I say it's 48 I cut out. D49. So we're cutting this one out. D49 and C50. C50 is C, and then look for the mast. It's a wee mast. There. That mast, that sail there, is to go on that mast. So since I've got C in my hand, this one, we'll just cut that out. Ready to go. Just in case it happens, I hope it doesn't. I hope I'm managing to going to cut it out. But Mama has got one hell of a bark. She has got one hell of a cough. So just in case you hear her, she's alright. She's alright. She's just got a hell of a bark. Well, she's alright as can be. Let's put it that way. She's still breathing. Didn't think that was going to happen through the night though. The way she was gone. The way she was gone, I thought, uh-oh, Mama's suffering. Right, 49 is... These are hard to cut out. As you can see. Right, now where they have to get cut out is here, 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 here. Eh? So there's quite a bit to cut out, and these are awkward. Yeah, you can see it a little better now with the light being above us. Can't you? It's a lot better, I think. I think we've cracked it. Right, so let's try and cut this out without breaking any of the wee lines. Maybe somebody else got it. Of course, I say about Mama, and then I do a cough. There you go. Just like it, innit? The thing is, if I'm going to go mad coughing, I can hit the cough button. Holy shit. No, it's called the cough button, I think. It's just a button that mutes. I just hold it down. And then I just let go, and that's it. And we're back. And we're back. Oh shit, a brick, man. There's so many. Right, where are you getting held now? There. Uh-oh. Still getting held somewhere. Where are you being about. I know why I force it, but it's getting held somewhere. See it. Right, that's it. Oh shite, a brick. Right, here we go. It's off. Right, now I'll show you how thin the lines are that we're playing about with. Try to cut. You ready? Punch to the light. There you go. There's how thin the lines were we were cutting. One mistake and we'd have cut through the rigging. Through the rigging. Right. Now let's see if this piece fits where they say it should. It's also not the easiest